Still using the Braun BT9. Someone asked me, did I get rid of it as soon as I'd done the video? Absolutely not. So really easy to use. I use the dials here, hopefully you can see that in terms of the length that you want the head to move to. I stick with the one head. I'm a millennial. I don't really want diagonals across my face. That's just me. Anyway, very simple to use. You can put a power boost by using this button here. Turn it off and on using this button here, and that's the battery level, so it's low, needs a charge. And you can see here as well, you've got the charge point. So really simple, let me just show you. And this is it with the booster on. You can put it on like that. So, super simple. Cuts away like, put a knife to butter. No hassle. You can see, really easy to use, no pull at all, really sharp, so definitely